G'day. In this video, we're going to take a quick look at how to create your first view and how to set the correct size for what you're going to display it on. So what we need to do here is go into the View tab and then create a new view. Give it a name. You can preset the background color if you want. And then you can set a predetermined, if you've got a tablet, you know at the side what model it is and stuff like that. You can set one of these if you like to get you out of trouble. What we're going to do is I'm going to show you how you do it manually. So let's click create. And now we can go down to here. And what's going to happen is on your new view at this point you can't drop any the system won't let you drop any widgets on the display. So I go to click a button and add it. It'll tell me that it can't. We have to first set the dimensions of the view. So the easiest way to do that is this widget's just purely to get your screen resolution, then you can delete it. You can add one later if you need to. So what the easiest way to do that is here, if I drag in, is a screen share of my Raspberry Pi 10-inch touch. And what I'm going to do here is if I go to kiosk mode, and if I copy that URL, bring it back into view here, and hit enter. Okay, so now you'll see that it has a screen resolution, but it's not the full one. So what we need to do is we need to hit F11 or whatever you want to do to get your browser to go full screen. And now I know this screen's resolution, this touch screen's resolution is 1024 by 600. So if I go back here to here, go to the view, set it to custom, and go 1024 by 600. And now I can delete this. And to show you that we're right, let's add a couple of widgets in the corners to show you that we're in view. So let's add an icon widget, icon underscore one, add. Let's add that to the left corner. Control C to copy, Control V to paste. Another one up here. Control V to paste. Another one down here. And another one down here. And then if we bring back in here, Do a page reload. And there we have it. Perfectly sized for the display. So that's how you set the resolution of the view that you're going to display the view on, and so you don't have to actually work on the display itself. You can now safely work within this order, and you'll know whatever you put on this display, on this view, will fit on the display that you intend to show it. And then obviously now all you need to do then is, what you're going to do moving forward is you're going to work with these kiosk view URLs. So you're going to do your Home Assistant IP address, the port, and then you're going to do canvas dash kiosk hash, and then the name of the view. And if it's got spaces, you're going to replace the spaces with dashes or hyphens. All right, so that's it. So that's how you create your first view and size it to fit the display that you want to use it on. Thanks for watching.